Gen students and welcome back to Soldier Unplugged. Today we have our second day of antonyms, right? हमने पहले भी हमारा antonyms का एक लेक्चर हो गया जहाँ पे हमने पहला फॉर्मेट जो है antonyms का वो अच्छे से डिस्कस कर लिया, right? अभी हमारा है दूसरा part of antonyms that we'll be discussing today, which I think you already know, which is the sentence part, okay? Now without wasting any more time, let's get started, okay? Now, each of the following items consist of a sentence, okay? Each of the following items consists of a sentence followed by 4 words or group of words. Select the antonym of the word occurring in the sentence in capital letters, right? Again, in the same way as synonyms, you'll be given a word in capital letters and you'll need to guess the antonym. Not guess but mark the antonyms, okay? Now, for example, the complainant was not supportive of providing all the facts in the court. Who? The complainant. Who is a complainant? The person who complains regarding something, right? The complainant was not supportive of providing all the facts in the court, right? So, if one person is complaining, the other person is the person who is accused, right? So, who is it? It's the defendant, right? The person who is defending himself. No, I have not done it, right? The person is accused. So, the defendant. The opposite of complainant would be defendant, okay? It would not be advocate, it would not be servant, it would not be this as well, right? So the correct answer is right here in the option A. Okay, now let's move ahead. Living in a solitary place brings some kind of satisfaction. What? Living in what kind of a place? Living in a solitary place. Now what does solitary mean? When you're usually alone, right? Without anyone around, just yourself, right? So obviously it's not limited. The opposite would not be limited. The opposite would not be exotic or healthy. The correct would be populous, because if you're talking about being, alone or being single somewhere, the opposite would be populous, right? Being with many people. Clear? Now, next we have is they spent a disturbed night after hearing the tragic news. Very simple, right? I don't even have to explain this. Disturb का क्या है? यहाँ पे restless नहीं होगा, sleepless नहीं होगा, mournful नहीं होगा, peaceful. Disturb का exactly opposite है, peaceful, right? You have your answer right here. Clear? All right, now let's go ahead. Recession is a major cause of unemployment. Now, what does recession mean? Recession means something when the markets are crashing, right? When the markets are crashing, it's called recession. Whoa. Okay, looks like my jacket is also drawing on the screen. Okay, anyways. Okay. So when the market is crashing, obviously the opposite would be when the market is actually going up, right? So does that mean inflation? No. Does that mean computerization? No. Does it mean something related to poverty? Again, no. The market is booming, right? So this is your answer. Clear? All right. So make sure आप दोनों तरीके जो हैं उसको यूज कर रहे हो. अगर आपको पता है मतलब तो कर लो, right? Now in this situation you might not be that sure whether the word boom would be correct, right? But you can have a check at others as well. Inflation नहीं होगा, computerization नहीं होगा, poverty नहीं होगा. Correct answer क्या है? सिर्फ boom होगा. ठीक है? Clear. Now, this cloth is a course of touch. What? This cloth is a what? Course of touch. Course मतलब क्या होता है? मतलब material जो है rough है ना? Material is rough. So when the material is rough, तो दूसरा क्या होगा? It will be soft, right? Soft and thin, right? So again, rough तो will be a synonym of it. Harsh नहीं होगा, painful तो कतई नहीं होगा. Answer क्या होगा? Delicate. Clear? Delicate or soft, that will be your antonym here. All right, now let's go ahead. Next we have is, we have created a beautiful new house from out of the odd ruin. What are we talking about the word? We're talking about the word created. Very simple again, है ना? कोई दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Created मतलब फिर उसके बाद destroy आ जाएगा. आपका आंसर यहीं पे है. ठीक है? Built नहीं आएगा, planned नहीं आएगा, constructed भी नहीं आएगा. Clear? Perfect. Now let's go ahead. He finally conceded that he was involved in smuggling. Conceded. अभी देखो statement, for an example, आपको conceded का मतलब नहीं पता, है ना? कैसे करोगे? He finally conceded that he was involved in smuggling. वो जो बंदा smuggle कर रहा है and he finally did something, मतलब उसने शायद अपने finally मतलब शायद finally accept ही किया होगा, है ना? तो he finally, आपको इतना मतलब बेसिक आइडिया तो पता ही चल जाता है कि इसका मतलब क्या है? To accept, है ना? ओके अब इसका ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? क्या एडमिटेड होगा? नहीं. क्या एक्सेप्टेड खुद होगा? नहीं, बिकॉज इट इज एंटोनिम. यू आर नॉट आस्किंग फॉर अ सिनोनिम, राइट? कंसील्ड नहीं होगा, डिनाइड होगा ये आंसर. क्लियर? two straight ways that you can actually work it out with. Okay, now let's go ahead. Next we have is the accused empathetically denied the charge in the court. What? The accused empathetically denied the charge in the court. Okay, अभी word is what? Denied. अभी just हमने देखा denied का, है ना? Denied का क्या obviously आएगा? Agreed? No. Asserted नहीं. Affirmed नहीं. Right? क्या आएगा? Accepted. Very clear? Denied का accepted. Okay? Doesn't even require any explanation. He wanted to mitigate his burdens. Again, कभी कभार ऐसे शब्द आते हैं ताकि आपको इसका मतलब नहीं पता हो, है ना? It's okay, not a problem. सेंटेंस पढ़ लो. He wanted to mitigate his burdens. अब एक बंदे को अगर बर्डन है, वो क्या करने का कोशिश करेगा? कम करने की कोशिश करेगा, है ना? So it would be mitigate मतलब कम करना, right? तो लेसन would be a synonym. Increase हो सकता है ना? Postpone तो नहीं हो सकता है, लीव भी नहीं होगा. ठीक है? Clear? Now next, I have never believed that it was authentic signature of the Prime Minister. Remember we had already done this question in the synonyms, right? Synonyms में हमारा इसका क्या आंसर आया था? Authentic का क्या आया था? Genuine आया था. Because we were talking about synonyms that time, है ना? Authentic का क्या आया था? Genuine आया था. But since अभी ये क्या पूछ रहे हैं? They are asking about the antonyms, so ये नहीं होगा. ठीक है? Authoritative नहीं होगा, handwritten नहीं होगा, आपका क्या होगा? Spurious. What is the word? Spurious. Spurious मतलब it was not authentic. Okay? या fake बोल सकते हैं जिसको. Spurious. Okay? There is no doubt about the veracity of her statement. What? There's no doubt about the veracity of her statement. Now, veracity क्या है? Veracity मतलब सच्चाई, मतलब honest, being honest, right? तो truthfulness क्या हो जाएगा इसका? इसका हो जाएगा synonym. Legality कुछ मतलब ही नहीं है. Validity भी कोई मतलब नहीं है. क्या है? Falseness is your correct antonym. All right? Perfect. Now let's go ahead. It's not possible to get literal meaning from this sentence. Literal मतलब exact meaning, है ना? तो exact का complex नहीं होगा, figurative नहीं होगा, है ना? Deep भी नहीं होगा, fictitious होगा. क्यों? Because you're talking about fictitious. क्या होता है? Fictitious is nothing but I actually got confused between complex and fictitious, but if I check the exact literal meaning, literal का मतलब होता है the exact, if जो reading exact lines and उनका जो मतलब है. Fictitious मतलब your मतलब जिसका जो metaphoric meaning है आप उसको ढूंढ रहे हो, right? So this would be the exact word here. Clear? Now next, you need to have a pragmatic approach to solve this puzzle. What? You need to have a pragmatic approach to solve this puzzle. What does pragmatic mean? शायद आप लोग को नहीं पता होगा. ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, हमारी सेंटेंस है हमारे पास, हम उससे सॉल्व करेंगे. You need to have a pragmatic. For example, pragmatic word ही भूल जाओ. You need to have a dash approach to solve this puzzle. क्या होगा? मतलब एक लॉजिकल प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच चाहिए, है ना? ठीक है भाई, प्रैक्टिकल आ गया हमारे पास. तो प्रैक्टिकल का कॉशियस नहीं होगा, फास्ट नहीं होगा. लॉजिकल विल बिकम अ सिनोनिम, द सोर्स वुड नॉट बी देयर. इम्प्रैक्टिकल वुड बी अ करेक्ट आंसर. वेरी क्लियर? इजी टू सॉल्व? परफेक्ट. अब आ जाते हैं अगले पे. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज leaders of the party should avoid such what? Pejorative comments at this crucial time. Okay, again, pejorative, right? Now these, in particular this statement, you're not able to exactly guess what pejorative really means, because leaders of the party should avoid pejorative comments at this crucial time. ठीक है, बट हल्का हल्का पता चल रहा है, ठीक है, कि नेगेटिव है. बट अगर आपको शब्द एग्जैक्टली मतलब पता हो तो आप इसको भी आराम से करोगे. ठीक है. So pejorative matlab, comment, negative comments, basically criticism kind of comments, right? Again, so उसका opposite क्या होगा? Soothing तो नहीं होगा. Encouraging नहीं. Critical, no, this will become a synonym. इसका appreciative होगा आपका antonym. Clear? Perfect. The revised pay scale is uniform. The word is what? Uniform. Uniform मतलब एक जैसा. Equal नहीं मतलब, opposite no, varied can be, but you have a better one here which is different. ठीक है. Was it so simple? It was, right? Because हमने actually बहुत आसानी से solve कर ली. 15 क्वेश्चन हमारे इतनी जल्दी खत्म हो गए. अगर explanation भी नहीं लगा रहे तो आप बस पढ़ के एकदम टक 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 करके आगे बढ़ोगे, right? One thing is because I have a little vocabulary knowledge. Second is that I know how to approach these questions. I'm giving you the vocabulary knowledge also. Grasping that knowledge is something that you will need to work on. Okay? But the other method, right, sometimes it's not obviously that, आप सारे words जान लोगे एक ही बार में. कभी कभार ऐसे शब्द होंगे जिनका आपको मतलब नहीं पता होगा, ठीक है? गैस वर्क पहली बात तो नहीं करना. अगर आपको स्टेटमेंट से, अगर पूरी स्टेटमेंट जैसे हमने पढ़ के दिखाई, उस स्टेटमेंट से अगर आपको उसका मतलब पता चल रहा है, then you can go ahead. Otherwise, kindly do not even try to attempt these because negative marking है. इसका याद रखेंगे strictly. Clear? Now, since we have completed our 15 words, let's go ahead to words to learn. Now, what is the first word? It is kernel. This is not our Colonel Saab. This is kernel. Meaning क्या है? The central or the most important part of something. What? The central or the most important part of something. इसके synonyms क्या हैं? Synonyms हैं इसके essence of something और core. Antonyms हैं इसके exterior और periphery. Clear? All right. Next we have is Kindle. कई सारे बच्चे इसको Kindle Joy बोलेंगे, ठीक है? कुछ जो पढ़ाकू बच्चे होंगे वो इसको क्या बोलेंगे? सर Kindle जो that tab that we have where you can read books, right? But नहीं, इसका असली मतलब क्या है? Arouse or inspire. What? Arouse or inspire, an emotion or a feeling. Basically, inspire. It's an emotion or a feeling, right? Antonyms क्या हैं इसके? Arouse, rouse, and wake. Okay? Antonyms क्या हैं इसके? Douse, opposite of arouse, and put out. ठीक है? All right, perfect. Let's go ahead. हमारा अगला word है knave. ओके इसको कनेव मत बोलना बिकॉज के जो है वो साइलेंट है. ओके इसको ना हटा के थोड़ा रब करना पड़ता है. ओके व्हाट इज नेव? ओके व्हाट इज द नेम मीन? अ डिसऑनेस्ट मैन, द मैन हु इज नॉट ऑनेस्ट, राइट? अ नेव. एंड सिनोनिम्स क्या हैं इसके? फ्रॉड, चीट. ओके एंटोनिम्स क्या हैं इसके? ऑनेस्ट मैन. ठीक है, लिटरली ऑनेस्ट मैन का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? अ मैन हु इज सॉरी, अ डिसऑनेस्ट मैन का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? ऑनेस्ट मैन. क्लियर? Synonyms, antonyms करते करते कभी कभी तो हल्का मैं कंफ्यूज हो रहा हूँ because I also am studying side by side while actually teaching this lecture, but it's okay, not a problem. I think I was able to explain you really well as well, and आपको समझ में भी आ गया होगा. कहीं भी कोई भी issue है where you're not able to understand, please make sure you are getting in touch, okay? Be it in your comment section or messaging me through WhatsApp. I'll try to resolve. Sometimes if I'm not able to reply to the message, please make sure you're sending it again. शायद कभी कभार मैसेजेस के कारण आपका मैसेज नीचे चले जाता है, एक बार सर करके क्वेश्चन मार्क कर देना. I'll be replying. Okay, so students, with that we end this today's class. प्लीज़ मेक श्योर आप अपनी जो पढ़ाई है, लेक्चर्स हैं, उसको ढंग से अटेंड कर रहे हो. ये जो 15 क्वेश्चन हैं, ये 15 क्वेश्चन से आपके एंटोनिम्स नहीं सॉल्व होंगे, ठीक है? यू नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट दिस इज जस्ट अ वे और एन अप्रोच दैट यू नीड टू फॉलो. आफ्टर दिस यू ओनली नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट आप अपने एंटोनिम्स की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो रोज, ठीक है? अपने मॉक्स लगाते रहो. यू विल ओनली अंडरस्टैंड वेयर यू लैकिंग एंड यू विल ओनली वोकैबुलरी में लैक कर रहे हो या अप्रोच में लैक कर रहे हो, यू विल ओनली फिगर आउट, ठीक है? आई थिंक मेजॉरिटी ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी हैव द अप्रोच. यू जस्ट नीड अ वोकैबुलरी पार्ट. Vocabulary part पे focus करो. Keep making sure that you are learning new words every day, and I think that should be enough for you. ठीक है? So students, with this, I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, Jai Hind.